Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix when keeps restarting on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart wise, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on general management. Click on reset and click on factory data reset and click on reset. Enter phone pin, click on reset, continue and click on delete all. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.